initiated in Bengaluru by an NGO, and this is coming to a great relief for those who are stranded and in desperate need of oxygen. Here is how these vehicles, this ambulance on wheels, could be a lifesaver.
Just now I thought of like his oxygen level is coming down actually. So doctors are asked me to give him immediate oxygen now. I was just going in a search of oxygen, so I just read this thing number plate and I just gave.
You think this is helpful?
I hope so. I wish, I pray it should be helpful actually. I have 7 months old baby just now whom I have given birth, so I need it.
Don't get upset.
So yes, I think it will be helpful. They are helping us, so I think. I wish. Please pray.
Government hospitals in Karnataka, along with private hospitals, say they have no beds. At a time like this, patients are waiting outside to try and find one, suffering due to lack of oxygen supplies. And to aid in that crisis period, here is this Oxygen on Wheels initiative, where a bunch of NGOs in Karnataka have now rolled out. The government has given out this government bus to the NGOs, and then the NGOs have now come out with this initiative where they have about 8 oxygen cylinders that have set up inside this government-run BMTC bus. And anybody in urgent need, it will be parked mostly outside hospitals or outside spots right in the center of the city, where it's easily accessible for people who want urgent oxygen need.
We started this initiative. In fact, we have already done 3-4 oxygen banks. In HSR Load we did, it was a big success.
Yeah, are people coming? How do they call you? How do they get in touch?
We upload in the media, so all sort of medias and our groups. And people are
mostly word of mouth.
Word of mouth and this thing also.
Okay.
WhatsApp group.
We see right now, we see also nurses inside who are there to aid the patient. In fact, there's a COVID patient sitting right inside.
Intensive care nurses.
Okay. And you've hired them, the NGOs hired the nurses.
We do hire them.
Very well done. Here the NGOs now coming together who started this initiative, Oxygen on Wheels. So word of mouth, the numbers of the helpline numbers already been spread out. We see people already coming and taking their service. Let's hope the situation improves soon enough. With camera person Pavan Kumar, Nabila Jamal for India Today, Bengaluru.